Good morning, pre-algebra students. This is Mr. Giomini. I apologize for not being in class today. I have an all-day meeting, but I am hoping that leaving this little problem or a couple problems will help you out with tonight's homework. So if I look at the first equation here, I have the variable m plus 9 1/10 equals 3. Now, you guys have done problems like this over and over and over. This is just adding now a rational number into the equation. So I want to isolate the variable m, so I'm going to get rid of this 9 1/10. It says to add it. Well, to get rid of it I must do the opposite, so I must subtract 9 1/10 from both sides. Now what I see here is that I have 3 minus 9 1/10. Now obviously I think about subtracting integers or subtracting numbers, I'm sorry. So I have 3 minus 9 1/10, so I'm going to actually add the opposite of 9 1/10, which is a negative 9 1/10. And I'm going to set this up over here, and I'm actually going to put the 9 1/10 on top. And I want to make sure I line up place value. The 9's in the 1 place, the 3 is also in the 1's place. It has no decimal that's visible, but really it's at the end there, and I'll add the 0 to hold the place value. And now I'm just going to subtract. 1 minus 0 is 1. Bring down my decimal point. 9 minus 3 is 6. So, going back to here, I really have left m is equal to 6 1/10. But because I take the absolute value of both numbers, the absolute value of 3 is 3. It's 3 away from 0. The absolute value of negative 9 1/10 is 9 1/10. 9 1/10 has a larger absolute value, so I assign my final answer the sign of that number, which was a negative. So my answer is negative 6 1/10. If I want to plug that answer back into my equation to check, I now substitute. So now it's really negative 6 1/10 plus 9 1/10 is equal to 3. I have a negative plus a positive, so instead of really adding those, I know I subtract them. I'll come back over here to my little work side. I have 9 1/10 minus 6 1/10, and I have 0. 9 minus 6 is 3, so this one gives me 3.0. Oops, sorry about that. It's kind of hard to write with one hand. Equals 3. So I have a check. Both sides are equal to 3. Okay, hope that helps you out today in class and tonight for homework. Take care. Bye.